Before start the history of microbiology, first we have to know what is microbiology. Microbiology is the study of biology of microscopic organisms such as viruses, bacteria, algae, fungi, slime molds and protozoa. Microbes contains 50% of the biological carbon and 90% of the biological nitrogen on earth. Most importantly, certain microorganisms carry out photosynthesis. General benefits from microorganisms: they are necessary for the production of bread, cheese, beer, antibiotics, vaccines, vitamins, enzymes, and many other important products. Microbiologists usually first isolate a specific microorganisms from a population and then culture it. Thus, microbiology employs techniques such as sterilization and the use of culture media that are necessary for successful isolation and growth of microorganism. Then, what is the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell? The word prokaryote derived from Greek word. Pro means before and karyon means nucleus. Prokaryote, also spelled prokaryote, any organism that lacks a distinct nucleus and other organelles due to the absence of internal membranes such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum. Bacteria are among the best known prokaryotic organisms. The word eukaryote also derived from Greek word. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. That means true nucleus. Eukaryotes are organisms whose cells contains a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotes including all animals, plants, fungi and protists as well as most algae. These observations eventually led to the development of a classification scheme that divided organisms into five kingdoms: the Monera, Protista, fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. Microbiologists believe that organisms should be divided among three domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Let us know briefly about three domains. The first one is bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotes that are single-celled organisms. Bacteria have cell wall that contains structural molecule, that is peptidoglycan. Bacteria are abundant in soil, water and air and are also major inhabitants of our skin, mouth and intestine. It means many bacteria present on our skin as normal microflora. Normal microflora are the bacteria which are non-harmful to the body and body surface or skin. Those bacteria are called as normal microflora. And our intestine also have millions to billions of intestinal microflora which helps in the digestion of our food in the intestine. Some bacteria live in environments that have extreme or high temperature, pH or salinity. Some bacteria causes diseases. Many bacteria play more beneficial roles such as cyclic elements in the biosphere, breaking down dead plant and animal material and producing vitamins. Cyanobacteria are gram-negative prokaryotes. They are commonly known as blue-green algae, are not truly eukaryotic algae. They produce significant amount of oxygen through the process of photosynthesis and also fix atmospheric nitrogen. The second domain is archaea. Archaea are prokaryotes that are differentiated from bacteria by many features, most their unique ribosomal RNA sequences. They also lack peptidoglycan in their cell walls and have unique membrane lipids. Some archaea have unusual metabolic characteristics such as methanogens which generate methane gas. Also, many archaea found in extreme environments, but pathogenic archaea have not yet been identified. The last domain, eukarya, includes microorganisms classified as protists or fungi. Animals and plants are also placed in this domain. Let us know briefly about protists. Protists are generally larger than prokaryotes and includes unicellular algae, protozoa, slime molds, and water molds. Algae are photosynthetic protists. Algae, together with the cyanobacteria, produce about 75% of the planet's oxygen. Protozoa are unicellular animal-like protists that are usually motile. Many free-living protozoa function as the principal hunters and grazers of the microbial world. Protozoa obtain nutrients by ingesting organic matter and other microbes. A few protozoa cause disease in humans and other animals. Slime molds are protists that are like protozoa in one stage of their life cycle but are like fungi in another stage. Water molds, as their name implies, water molds found in the surface water of freshwater sources and moist soil. They feed on decaying vegetation such as logs and mulch. Fungi are a diverse group of microorganisms that range from unicellular forms, that is yeast, to molds and mushrooms. Molds and mushrooms are multicellular fungi that forms thin thread-like structures called hyphae. They absorb nutrients from their environment, including the organic molecules that they use as a source of carbon and energy. Because of their metabolic capabilities, many fungi play beneficial roles. But beneficial roles including making bread rice, producing antibiotics, and decomposing dead organisms. Some of the other fungi causes diseases in plants, animals, and humans.